Ever stared at your bank statement, feeling a vague sense of dread, and thought, where in the world did all my money go? You're not alone. For years, managing personal finances felt like an impossible puzzle, a tangled mess of transactions with no clear picture. We'd check our balance, see it dwindling, and just shrug, hoping for the best until the next payday. It was a cycle of financial guesswork, often leading to unwelcome surprises. But what if you could not only see where your money was going, but understand why it was going there? What if you had a clear, insightful breakdown of every penny you spend, categorized, analyzed, and presented in a way that actually helps you make better financial decisions? That's not a dream anymore. That's precisely what Monzo's spending insights offer, and it's a game changer for anyone looking to take control of their money. Before digital banks like Monzo came along, our financial lives were largely invisible. Sure, you'd get a paper statement once a month, a long list of numbers and dates that required a magnifying glass and a serious dose of patience to decipher. Online banking improved things slightly, giving us a digital version of that same long list. But the real problem remained: it was raw data, not meaningful information. We could see what we spent, but not easily how or why. We were flying blind, financially speaking. Enter Monzo, one of the pioneers of the digital banking revolution. They didn't just put a bank in your pocket, they redesigned the entire banking experience around transparency and user empowerment. And at the heart of that redesign are their incredible spending insights. It's not just a feature, it's a philosophy embedded into the very core of how Monzo helps you manage your money. They understood that to budget effectively, to save meaningfully, and to achieve financial goals, you need to first understand your financial habits. And that's exactly what their Spending Insights breakdown provides. So, what exactly are Monzo Spending Insights? At its core, it's an intelligent analysis of your financial transactions, presented in an easy-to-understand format within the Monzo app. Think of it as your personal financial detective, sifting through all your purchases, bills, and income, and then presenting you with a clear, concise report on where your money is truly going. Let's dive into the specifics of this breakdown, starting with the immediate visibility it offers. The moment you make a transaction, Monzo sends an instant notification. This isn't just a confirmation, it's the first step in building that clear picture. You see the amount, the merchant, and critically, Monzo automatically categorizes it. Bought groceries? It's tagged as groceries. Paid for your Netflix subscription? Bills. This automatic categorization is a powerful time saver and the foundation of the insights breakdown. No more manually sifting through statements trying to remember what that £12.50 payment to generic retailer Ltd was for. But it goes much deeper than just initial categorization. Monzo provides a comprehensive trends tab, which is essentially the evolution of their older summary feature that offers a granular view of your financial activity over time. Here, you'll find monthly or yearly overviews of all your spending, broken down by category. This is where the magic truly begins. Imagine seeing a pie chart showing that 30% of your income went to eating out last month, or a bar graph illustrating a steady increase in transportation costs over the past quarter. This visual representation is incredibly impactful, making it easy to spot trends and identify areas where you might be overspending without even realizing it. And these categories aren't set in stone. One of the truly brilliant aspects of Monzo's Spending Insights is the ability to customize categories. Maybe shopping is too broad for you. You can delve in and rename it, or even create entirely new categories like clothes shopping, tech gadgets, or books. You can recategorize individual transactions if Monzo gets it wrong, or even set rules for specific merchants so that all future payments to, say, your favorite coffee shop, are automatically tagged as coffee and treats. This level of personalization means your spending insights are truly tailored to your financial life, making them far more relevant and actionable. Beyond the basic categorization, Monzo's insights also highlight your committed spending. These are your regular, fixed outgoings like rent, mortgage payments, subscriptions, and utility bills. Monzo intelligently identifies these recurring payments and separates them from your variable spending. Why is this important? because it gives you a clear understanding of your non-negotiable expenses, helping you determine how much disposable income you genuinely have left after your essential bills are covered. This is crucial for accurate budgeting and preventing that dreaded surprise bill feeling. Speaking of budgeting, Monzo integrates spending insights directly into its budgeting tools. In the Trends tab, you can set spending targets for individual categories or for your overall monthly spending. So, if that eating out pie slice is looking a bit too big, you can set a target of, say, £100 for dining out next month. As you spend, Monzo provides real-time updates on your progress towards these targets. You'll get notifications if you're nearing your limit, or if you're spending too quickly and might run out before your next payday. This proactive feedback is invaluable, helping you adjust your spending habits in the moment, rather than waiting until the end of the month when it's too late. Another powerful aspect of Monzo's insights is its left to spend feature. This isn't just your current balance, it's a sophisticated calculation that considers your income, committed spending, and money allocated to pots, which we'll get to in a moment, to give you a realistic estimate of how much you have available for discretionary spending until your next payday. It's a constant, visible reminder of your financial reality, helping you pace yourself throughout the month. No more overestimating your remaining funds or dipping into money meant for bills. And what are these pots I mentioned? They are a cornerstone of Monzo's approach to financial organization and are inextricably linked to spending insights. Pots allow you to physically separate money within your account for different purposes. Think of them like digital envelopes for your cash. You can create a bills pot, a holiday fund pot, an emergency savings pot, or even a Christmas presents pot. The beauty of this is that money in a pot is separated from your main balance, so you're less likely to accidentally spend it. Monzo's spending insights then show you how much money you've moved into these pots, giving you a clear picture of your savings progress alongside your spending. You can even set up Salary Sorter to automatically distribute your income into various pots the moment you get paid, a portion for bills, a portion for savings, and the rest for your main spending balance. This pay-yourself-first approach, combined with the visibility of your spending insights, creates a powerful feedback loop for financial discipline. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.